Okay, this is all primed up. Let's see what it looks like. Still gotta clean it, but it's all primed up. Hey, ceilings. Look at that soffit. Look at that. Look at that.
Oh my God, somebody painted this. Oh, it's a primer.
That's just probably.
Can you do a close-up?
Yeah.
Send it to drag down. Where's the bottom of the beam going to get hit? Little shitter. Bottom of what beam?
Yeah, look at them ceilings. Look at them walls. Look at the beam. Look at that boxed in beam right there. All the angles, look at that ceiling. Absolutely beautiful. All the can lights, I put them up in. Gotta wait until everything dries 100.